We are.
It's pouring rain on us. Working outside right now doesn't sound fun. I think you broke it.
What is going on?
Not this much room over here. This guy said I couldn't do it.
So yeah, you want to give us a rundown, Ryan?
I mean, it was locked in the front, locked in the rear, went over on that rock and just dunked. Freaking tie rod made the rack fail.
Ooh.
It's like, nah, we don't need to fix it. We can just stay here.
Other than me.
My body uses it, not just my head.
Hot body.
So it's the next morning. Plans have shifted a little bit. Right at the end of the night last night, we were at the rock garden up here at the top of the trail, and our buddy Ryan ended up breaking his steering rack pretty bad. All of the mounts on the steering rack snapped in half. The steering rack itself split down the middle so you can see the hydraulics inside. So he basically has zero steering at the moment. I called my buddy Josiah last night to see if he might have a couple parts laying around, and he was so kind to go and run out to a Toyota Gems, a parts yard out here in Colorado, pick up all the stuff we need, and then drove 2 hours from Denver. So now he's sleeping at the trailhead, which is probably a good hour drive down to the bottom. So the plan originally was I was going to wake up this morning and mob down there, pick up the parts, and him come back up, make the repair. Our dilemma is my buddy that brought the parts is in a stock 3rd gen. Wouldn't be too smart on his end to drive a stock 3rd gen up here and risk it. So we're gonna have our other buddy with a Tundra that's pretty built. He's gonna swoop him and the parts in the parking lot, come up and meet us, and we're gonna hopefully be able to make the repair, get his rack replaced, and get him rolling. We found Josiah.
What's up?
He was right around the corner. Came to save the day.
Here we are. Steering rack. Oh, cougars.
So Josiah drove up here in a stock 3rd gen and made it basically to the top of the trail, but cracked the radiator. So our other buddy with the Tundra, lucky enough, has a 3rd gen radiator. So everyone's basically just falling in line and bringing each other parts at this point. Josiah's gonna go ahead and limp the 3rd gen up to where we have camp set up. It's not too far around the corner, and just basically try to not overheat in the meantime, and we'll be able to start working on Ryan's truck.
Oh yeah, that's his husband.
Unless that's gonna get into.
That is badass. These are fucking things a unit.
I mean, I'm attracted though.
You're clear.
You want the surf shackle? I got it. I have one. Trying stupid stuff.
Right as he fixes his car. Good timing. We've been here for hours. Watch out your tent.
God damn it. So, you see, what you gotta do is wait until the very last second when you have two other trucks working on repairs. Wait until they get the last bolt tightened and then try the hardest line you can. And then get stuck, not make the line, get winched back off, and then get pinned underneath of a tree.
Overlanding.
Yeah, we'll get it out there.
Nice.
Oh, dude, that's broken.
Uh-oh.
Let's swap it real quick.
Do it. Yeah.
What did I
This
say?
fucking CV's been holding on for a year.
What is it?
CV.
No.
Easy money, dude. Good thing we got Alan though, because that man can change them in like 4 minutes.
Well, he actually breaks them all the time.
Dang.
Oh, hey, I've only done 2 and it was with you guys.
I was just there both times,
Yeah,
so.
I do need your jack.
What?
Your jack.
Yeah, do you want to pull? I think I don't care anymore.
I think it'd be worth like 20 grand. I'll bring it to you.
Do you have to get pliers now?
Yes, ma'am. Smarty pants.
Is it 32 or 30?
Denver has the only napper in all of the on her banner.
There it went.
Drove it all the way through here without putting a dent or a scratch in it.
So long. I've been such a culty Toyota axle guy.
A lot of people run 40s, but
Oh,
you're
I
definitely
know.
playing with
All right, it is 2 o'clock. We've been at camp all day, working on these repairs. We finally got the new rack into Ryan's truck. He's just kind of buttoning the rest of that stuff up, getting fluid in there now and gonna test it out. Got the radiator replaced in Josiah's stock 3rd gen. And then 30 minutes ago, I was messing around in the rock garden and blew a CV. So Alan helped me get that replaced pretty quickly. Looks like we got a storm rolling in. Hoping it's nothing too crazy. We do have another hour or 2 before we're down off the trail. Logan in the Gladiator took off down the easy way. Josiah took off down the easy way. And then Dominic had a blown up clutch, so he took off pretty early this morning as well. We're down to 6 rigs, lost 2 of the original group, added a new one. We're pretty much ready to get rolling and finish out the trail.
I put a little more in there.
We're finally back rolling. It's 2:30. We've been working on trucks since, I don't know, 8 a.m.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's been a really long morning. We did 3 repairs at camp. We were gonna go ahead and run another trail today, but it being so late in the day, I think we're just gonna hang out. A storm is rolling in. I'm really hoping it misses us, but we might be driving out of here in some rain. Looking good. Straighten them up right there. Hell yeah, Will.
Little drive. You don't need it with little lateral drive.
That's right.
Okay, straighten out. Straighten out. Oh, dude, it's slick as a motherfucker.
That front lock is pulling through right now. Get my lock. Might have to move all the red car hydrant.
I thought you were gonna slide off the wall.
It's fucking wet, dude. Let me hide under this truck.
You fucking
It's pouring rain on us. We made everyone up the chute except for Ryan, and I'm pretty sure he either blew his diff or blew a CV. But working outside right now doesn't sound fun. Rain's finally letting up. They're down here at the bottom of the V-notch getting Ryan's CV axle swapped out. I'm pretty sure his front locker wasn't engaging either, so it probably blew an airline, but he should be able to make it out of here in 3-wheel. As long as we can get the CV replaced, we'll be good to go.
His locker's working.
Stay. There you go. Finally made it down to the trailhead. It's about 5 o'clock. It's been a super long day. 4 repairs later, 2 CV axles, steering rack, and a radiator. Definitely made for an eventful night, but all in all, it was a great time. Absolutely love this trail. The truck performed awesome. I haven't been up here since I've done all of these upgrades. So last time I was up here, I drove it open, basically a stock truck, and we made it, but it was definitely difficult. So it was really fun to be up here with lockers and big tires. We have a 2-hour drive home, so the day's not over yet. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.